In this video, I will show you how to install the Moonlight application on your smart TV without Play Store or App Store. Or even if you've not seen the application on your App Store, this video is going to help you install it on your smart TV. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like that. So if you want to install the Moonlight application on your smart TV but you don't have Play Store or App Store, or you've not seen it, the application you can use is called Downloader. Downloader is an application that helps you source media's APKs from the web, from the internet. You can install them to your smart TV. So to get this app, check in the description of this video. There is a link there that is going to guide you on how to install this downloader to your smart TV. So once you install the downloader, you are going to go ahead and launch it. Once you launch it, in the box here, you're going to type in the Moonlight application as it is written there. So after you type in that, we are going to click on Go. So once you click Go, Downloader is going to show you the sources on the internet where you can install the Moonlight. And as you can see on my screen, there are two options. The first one and the second option. The second option is the best one. So all you have to do is to click on it. Click on the option and it goes with you where you can install the Moonlight game streaming application to your smart TV. So you just have to come over here and install. That's it. Very easy.